Cześć, dzień dobry. Where we are today, Sayang? Tell me.
So today we are in Łódź.
Łódź.
Okay. So,
In Piotrkowska street somewhere.
Yes, and I think this one is the world famous eat street in Łódź area, tak? In Poland.
Could be.
And then it's actually around 3 hours drive from Poznan, tak kochanie?
No, 2.5. Depends what road we go.
No, tak. And then, yesterday I spoke to my friend. I plan to spend my day off in Łódź, and then she's, saying like, what you gonna do in Łódź? The ugliest city in Poland. It makes me curious, so that's why I come. And let's see how it is. So we have our lunch first in the restaurant. Smacznego, kochani. Oh, you have your pizza. Okay, so as you see that this one, because of the eat street, so wherever you go, people walking, and the restaurant are everywhere, just like this. It's quite busy on Monday. Tak, kochanie? No. No tak. Smacznego.
Smacznego, and on the top of it, I should say, as Łódź used to be the most dangerous city in Poland not so long ago.
No, tak.
But so far it's okay. I'm still alive here and I still enjoy my pizza.
Poland, long time ago, I know, always used to be,
Different
but
time.
it's different time. Now
Oh.
it's getting better and better, right?
So we are in Łódź. Lots of stories going around about the city of Łódź. Many people said it's boring, nothing to do, the worst city in Poland, and so on, so on. However, it's pretty big city and pretty popular, by the way. So we decided to come. For me, I never been here, to be honest. So first time for me, for Winnie. We have a look. This is Piotrkowska street, the most busiest and famous street in Łódź. We had already pizza, pasta, ready to show you a little bit around. Seems like a lot of people commuting by the bicycles, scooters, skateboards and stuff.
Many young people, and as I explained before, this one is the eat street. So on the left and the right side, there's so many restaurants.
So many restaurants, coffee shops, and many other things.
And look, that's the pizza.
Korean.
You can find any kind of international restaurant here.
Nice. Blush, coffee.
Yes, I think that this one is the spot where people hang out, meeting, and as you see that, it's busy. For me, it's busy on the left, on the right side.
Considering it's Monday, no? Considering it's Monday afternoon, actually, it's not bad. And that's the kamienica. How does it look like? Let's have a look. The street is very, very long, actually. Few kilometers. You can just walk there. Also, this is like all the action restaurants. Everything is going on here on this walking street, and cars are still around. Mostly because there is no proper rynek like in the Poznań or Wrocław. Means there is some, we maybe gonna have a look, but it's not so popular. Every action is going here, and you can see actually a lot of gardens for the restaurants everywhere around. Some of them they are closed today though. Łódź was very famous for the cinematography, Sayang. So like a little Hollywood, Sayang, actually.
Aha!
No, tak?
Surprising me about that.
Yeah, and also Manufactura for the textile and other stuff, Sayang. So let's go. Let's have a look. Basically it's the same street all the time. Some lady is singing from the balcony actually. I will show you. She stayed there. And
She's enjoying her life.
she's enjoying her life, and it's a lot of businesses around actually, technically speaking. I think going more and more into that direction is actually more popular, no? More busy. Ale this coffee shop, it's nice actually. This coffee shop looks decent, I have to say. Reminds me a little bit of the Chong Chape in Vietnam, Sayang.
No, that. Maybe you could have a coffee.
Let's have a look closer, Sayang. Look at how the bicycles stand nicely in the line, and how many of them actually. So have this little rickshaw on the bicycle. I don't know if the proper name of the rickshaw. They have it here for sure. The in Łódź will be different name, there is like that. And I gonna tell you, it's
There are so
alright.
many modern buildings mixed with the old design buildings. So
Yeah, it's modern and old. And if it's something like this one is under the renovation here, but it's gonna keep like a local style. I mean the traditional style in the future. So, and a lot of restaurants, that's for sure.
so
Really a lot.
whenever you plan to come to Łódź, you have to come to Piotrkowska street, like this sign behind me.
Yeah, and you can see behind us actually so many restaurants and so much is going on. So yeah, we're gonna explore a little bit more. So yeah,
So I would like to, show you how is that the people here enjoying the time. They have like a fika time, no?
fika time actually relaxing. I could say it's actually busier here on Monday than in Poznan though. More people actually, but it's also nearer by the Warsaw, so maybe that's why. And also this kamienica are taller on one condemnation. Fabryka krawatów, so it's a coffee shop or something.
So today is Monday. Actually, imagine that if it is on the weekend, probably much busier.
Probably for sure. Probably for sure.
People from Warsaw they come here also to.
No tak. It's about 130 kilometers from Warsaw only. Many people actually living here who are from Warsaw or doing something. Nice kamienica, nice restaurant at the front side. Look at this one, very nice lights. That's some sort of seafood restaurant, Japanese or something. Nice, and the kamienica like this one. People living in these buildings, obviously. This one was also nice. Sayang, and this old balconies like this one, little bit of Vietnam style. Always reminds me. Actually, look at, there is the dragon. You see, you just look upstairs and you can find something. And again, somebody singing from the balcony saying, let's go. This coffee shop look nice, or restaurant. Saying, don't you think we walk on the street?
I don't know. I just enjoy it. Really.
Okay.
But the thing is that there are not so many cars. Even like some cars passing by, but it's just simply like chill drive. It's not that fast drive, but yes. See on the left and the right side,
That's the thing.
that's the lady singing there in the balcony.
Where?
Tam.
Gdzie?
Tam.
I zoom in on her. Oh, there, yeah? I can see. Look at this one, saying that's the Vietnamese restaurant with the nice decor.
How the lady singing song also.
Where? I'm gonna tell you different vibe little bit, no? 200 kilometers only different.
Maybe this is how people enjoy life.
That's why you have to travel all the time.
I should blame myself. I should blame my friends saying that Łódź the worst or the ugliest city.
It's
But
not
I
that
found
true.
It's pretty.
It's actually pretty cool. At least this street is nice, but still, at least one street, but it's nice.
All the people having coffee.
Yeah, coffee.
Enjoying.
You see, that's gonna be somebody famous though. Art or something. Dobra, idziemy. Let's go. That's the nice kamienica. That's the park. People appreciate the singer. So much is going on.
Zobacz, what is it?
That's
This is
the
like a,
That's the actually Stanisław Różewicz reżyser. He is the, ale this is like Hollywood actually, Walk of Fame, sayang.
tak. And look at this.
Check this out. Actually like this one. Babe, I mean, I don't know how the rest of the city when we come from the highway wasn't that much exciting though, but this street is cool. I mean, it's lovely, no?
Yeah.
Oh, that's some another, a lot of Italian restaurants though here. Oh, you can look at this kamienica, actually also nice, and get inside. Many walking streets.
One most important thing, it's clean.
It's clean and feel safe though. Why they said is the, I mean, like, back in 90s maybe it wasn't like that. That's true, but we are 2025 now.
It's totally different.
Different. There is also something nice called Polonia. Actually, a lot of people cycling here. I think since already, yeah? And there, if you zoom it, actually there, inside, there is also, oh, this lady blocking me. There is restaurant. Here we go. So cool. Actually, the restaurants.
There is one nice hotel.
Yeah, hotel like this one, and the coffee shop inside also. It's actually one street, but it's nice. I have to say, it's cool and it's very long.
Really long.
Long. So the sign of the name of the street, Piotrkowska street, is behind you, Sayang. Ale also inside, it's like a smaller alleys. Have also nice businesses, coffee shops, you know, the restaurants. And there also, okay, let's go. It's actually not bad. So this is the situation. Also quite a lot of, I think it's more visitors international here than in Poznań. Obviously it's close to Warsaw, so easy to take a train or even if you really want taxi probably. This one is also nice there. We think we're going back because we wanna move to the Manufactura now, which is like a famous mall here. And let's see the situation actually, what we can find. They have it bicycles here, the public one. There is nice something actually, the nice, this actually veranda, this kind of the thingy, the architecture for the coffee is nice. I think I saw last time something like this in Bali, no? There is one place like this, reminds me. And yeah, this is it, Łódź. So we walk on the other side. Right now we're going opposite, and as you can see there are plenty of restaurants everywhere around, and also this nice building architectures with this dragon perhaps like this one, and really a lot of restaurants, I have to say, really a lot.
Even in the Poznan, it's like the Swento Marcin street.
Ale is short and it's not that busy like here. Not that
It's long and then it's quite vibrant. This is a Monday, I can say.
Imagine Saturday night here at 8 o'clock on Saturday.
Yeah. And look at that.
No, it's cool actually. It's actually pretty cool. Cool indeed. Alright, so we arrived to Manufactura, which is like big shopping mall, one of the most busiest and biggest here, probably one of the biggest in Poland. From the venue, made from the venue from 19th century.
So yeah, let's see how it is.
Let's see how it is, because it's actually confusing on this parking lot. Then we found the elevator, go the one level down, and it's actually, I have to say, it's interesting here.
Oh, darn. And this one is called Manufactura. It's actually like one of big shopping mall complex.
Yeah, but like
in
a
the
complex.
Is nice park. Let's see how is the Monday here.
Interesting.
I said the most ugliest cities in Poland.
Definitely it's not that.
I should confirm to my friend it's not like that. Okay, let's.
It's
show
really
you how
actually,
it is.
it's not that bad.
How vibrant it is, which is?
Vibrant, right? Vibrant.
Oh, which is over there. You look, you see people are.
That's the beach clubs, huh?
Not beach club, Johannes. And the restaurant on the left side. Wow. You see? It's nice.
It's nice.
And then, what is it, Kohani?
Carousel.
Carousel.
Yeah.
Ah.
Not like I said, beach clubs, eh?
Let's go on the right.
I told you beach club. What is it? Beach club. And like a squid game. Squid game. No, look this one. And this is beach club here actually. Like I said, beach side. Oh. You want to go on this?
Let's go there. There is a volleyball match.
Volleyball match?
They even bring the white
What's that?
sand. They bring the white sand here and make it like exactly like in the beach in the middle of the town.
Yes, that's actually true. And that's actually interesting, as this is really like that actually.
And the young people here really enjoying their life. Best life, I can say.
How creative is this? Opening literally beach club, because how you name it, like a bar with the artificial sand and everything, inside of the yard of the shopping mall, inside of the city.
The thing is that amount of people, enjoying their time during the weekdays. And we only take a day off on Monday.
Yeah,
But
just for
people
few
here,
hours.
imagine that the weekend, I don't know how the people are here.
Weekends must be busy, I have to say. And there is like literally beach club. There's so many restaurants also everywhere around. Which
Right
side?
at the side.
And everywhere around on the other side there is the mall and shoppings. So we're gonna go to the aircon room now. Yeah, what's saying?
This one, Pizza Hut.
No? I like interesting concept like for Pizza Hut.
Hot Spoon. There are so many restaurants
So
here.
many.
Oh,
But
this
also
restaurant-
they have like a TK Maxx, Primark and everything. Interesting. So the one view, there is also Ferris wheel, maybe I forgot to mention. Then there is like a street as you can see more far, and there is Sky Bar also, Sky Fly Bar. Many things, aircon, coffee and inside the mall.
And Łódź is actually famous for the city and for the what is it movie
Movie industry.
They used to have make a movie a long time ago, and the textile and where is it, the museum of textile is
I
somewhere
don't know,
around
somewhere. Many museums here, although we not museum people.
here. Let's go.
Inside the mall, aircon,
I like
similar style like any kind of modern malls in everywhere. Nice ceiling actually.
modern.
And modern, definitely modern, what we like, and the nice view of the windows, like open light. So it's cool. Okay, let's go. So generally more like mall, everything and nothing. However, the entrance is nice because you have like a whole panorama, because they didn't cover with the advertisements, what usually happens like this in many places. But from here you can basically see whole entire thingy. Nice, and you can see actually as this place, it's pretty big. So, and then it's Culinary, which is food court. Of course, must be something. And it's actually quite a lot of options everywhere around with the view. Nice. Actually, it's nice. So, don't take home, huh?
No, this is original one. It's not the fake one.
No?
The fake.
I thought it's fake one. It's not? It's okay. Nice. Nice. See, behind the beach club, there is also place with the restaurants. Eh?
No.
Many restaurants actually.
I was thinking to have a coffee somewhere. So let's see.
Let's have a look.
There are
Maybe
so
we
many
can find
restaurants
something.
options. So just like I mentioned before, Łódź is actually famous for the cinema city. Like that, you know, there are so many movies that, you know, made here long time ago, like Hollywood of the Poland, something like that.
I will say like that. It makes sense. Hollywood of Poland
No,
here.
that, and the museum fabric, like textile museum.
So cool, huh? And that's the one more shot of the searching for the coffee place. Sayang, this one is nice. With the sprayer like in the Chong Chape in Vietnam, no? I don't know, there is bar or what is it? Actually, but nice. For the sun, there is actually like some other coffee shops. I mean, I don't know even coffee. The Starbucks is here in the building like this one actually. Now it's nice time to film because it's actually golden hours, eh? Everything looks nice. Actually, weather is today beautiful, 32 degrees. Yeah. Ooh, look at this ice cream shop, sayang there. Ice cream shop, and maybe there is coffee shop, sayang, actually next to it. And this is actually really nice looking, the ice cream shop. They even have a little pantry, sayang. So cool. Alright, so we're gonna have our macchiatos. Finally, we found some nice coffee shops and cheers, like we are drinking alcohol. Dobre? Strong. That's how macchiato should be. Alright, we are sitting somewhere outside. There's some nice cars. You can see this red car there. This. This is the car what one day I'm gonna have it. At least I have a dream like that, right? We're gonna drive like that.
Right. So I think that's all our video today from Łódź. My first impression is that you definitely has to travel and see and experience. Sometimes what the people say is totally different what you can experience. I know that maybe outside of Manufactura and outside of the Piotrkowska street will be totally different, maybe mess or something, but this place is beyond my expectation. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Ciao.